Once I developed the full Nelson fixed loop, I started thinking about what kind of a bend you could do with a similar sort of approach. And after a bit of fiddling, I came up with something which I believe meets Peter Suber's definition of an exploding bend. It's a way to join two lines, has a ripcord, and when you pull the ripcord it comes apart without anything having to unwrap or unwind from the other part, which could jam or hang up. So to make it, you make a bite with one side, you bring the other end over and wrap once around the bite, wrapping underneath this side. Then you do a second wrap, this time coming over the line, trapping itself against the bite, and then a third wrap, this time going over itself again, but tucking through the end of the bite, which you then draw up to tighten it. And there is the bend. And now I will attempt to put a little tension on this so I can try to demonstrate how it comes apart under tension. Alright, got it tensioned, get in position to be able to pull it here. Grab the ripcord and pow. It can take a little bit of force to get it apart, but when it releases entirely without any chance of grabbing itself and jamming up.